Hi, how are you? My name is Rose and I am the owner of the Spiritual Goodies subscription box, and today we're going to be going over the Rose of Jericho plant, also known as the resurrection plant that was included inside our October abundance box. Okay, so when you first got your plant, it was included in this little bag, and I'm sure there was a lot of dirt and twigs that had fallen off. If you want, you can keep these items because they can be used to dress your candles. So you can either sprinkle them on top, or you can take like a chime candle and anoint it with oil or even Rose of Jericho water, and then roll it in the crushed twigs and dirt that was in the bag. Once your plant is out of the bag, it's gonna look like this. And I like to tap it to get all the extra dirt and stuff off. So then you're going to want to add your water, just enough to cover the roots. So in this case, probably be about 1.5 inches to cover the roots on the bottom. And just let the plant sit there. If it has to sit on the side because it won't stand up straight, that's fine. You can just move it once it starts to open up. And it shouldn't take too long. It should only take like 3 to 4 hours for it to pretty much open up all the way, just about. And then you'll notice once you add the water and it opens up, especially the first time, it'll be really dirty and muggy from all the debris that have fallen off. This is completely normal, so you can change your water right away, like within the first day. I probably would do that, but make sure you save that water because that's really powerful stuff. And I would put it in a spray bottle or even a sealed jar, whatever works for you. The spray can be used to spray your body or your altar items, your crystals, spray your doorways, or you can add it into a bath or into a floor wash. Yeah, there's a lot of different things that you can do with it. Okay, so once you put it in the water and it's completely bloomed, it's gonna look something like this. And then that's when you can add crystals. So I would definitely add maybe the pyrite stone that you received this month, and also the tiger's eye stone that came with your plant as well. I also have in here some clear quartz to amplify the energy of the other crystals, and also citrine because it's like my favorite prosperity stone. Green aventurine would be a good choice as well. I also have some coins in here because I'm trying to attract wealth currently. That's my intention for this plant. So I do have some coins on top and also in the water as well. You can place them in both. As far as the plant itself, I usually don't leave mine open longer than a week, but you can be the judge of that. I definitely wouldn't keep it open longer than a few weeks, and I would make sure you change the water. I do mine every day and a half, but you could probably go as far as 2 to 3 days, but just keep an eye on it. If it starts to look a little slimy or the water just starts to look really dirty, I would definitely change it. And you can keep the water each time. Even if it doesn't look really dirty, it's still powerful healing water. So you can change it, you can keep the water every time, okay? Just so you know. And then once you're ready to let it seal back up, you're just gonna take it out of the water, and it should only take a few hours for it to curl back up. If you want, you can actually keep some stones or some money inside the plant as it curls up. And then once you open it back up next time, then you can retrieve those items out. My one last tip is that once the plant is curled up and dried up, do not store it on your altar because it's in a dormant, like stagnant state. You don't want that kind of energy on your altar, so definitely don't keep it stored there when it's dried. So yes, that's really it. It was just a few extra little tips I wanted to include that were not inside of our insert this month. Of course, if you have any issues with your plant, then please email me and I will respond back. Support at spiritual-goodies.com. And again, my name is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.